everyone. My name is Diana Edward. I remember a few years ago on a hot summer day, I looked in the mirror and my face was swollen. I could not even recognize my face. I got punched in the face by my boyfriend. I remember going to bed wondering, how could someone who loved me so much, or say they love me so much, treat me so bad? I woke up the next day and called the cops. As the cops were on their way, he went missing. I woke up the next day and my children were missing. It was like a nightmare. You know, one of those nightmares that you wake up from and you wonder, is this real? This was real. The next few days, I was in and out the precinct, family court, and that was the longest few days of my life. I felt alone. I felt guilty. I felt shameful. I felt scared. They forced him to bring back my children. And once my children were safe, I had to make the decision to leave. I had to leave. I had to leave because it was no longer safe for me. I lost my house. I lost my car. I lost what I believe love was. And I chose self-love. Loving myself enough to not stay in a situation that no longer serves me. I focused so much on self-love. I went and did meditation. I prayed. I did transformational workshops. It helped me so much. I then birthed Deep Bright Light, which is my movement. My movement to empower people to be the bright light that they want to see in this world. Deep Bright Light focuses on self-love, self-awareness, and self-worth. We are all worthy. We are all enough. This helped me create so many possibilities for my family. We are now safe, and we are living in a healthy, loving place. If you want to know more about Deep Bright Light, check out my website, www.deepbrightlight.com. Thank you, guys.